What's going on, RestoMods? It is Resto Mike here with FiTech Mike.
Hey guys.
We'll just go by our official names to make it easy.
Yeah, Mike and Mike.
Thank you for having us again. We are at FiTech EFI. We brought the RM12 1969 Camaro here to have these fine gentlemen take a look at, and we're gonna do some upgrades on this thing, correct?
Well, yeah, definitely. Well, one thing, we heard you come in, we know you have an inline fuel pump, so we're probably gonna get rid of that.
Okay.
We're gonna get it up on the rack, do a full inspection, and then we're gonna FiTech it.
Awesome.
I know it already has a FiTech computer, but we're gonna go above and beyond and FiTech this whole thing out.
Awesome.
Get it on the dyno, see what she does.
Looking forward to it.
It's a beautiful car. So
Thank
we got
you.
Eddie Motorsports. Eddie Motorsports is coming down. They're probably gonna throw some parts on this
Awesome.
for us too.
Shout out to those guys, Eddie Motorsports. Thank you very much.
Yep, we'll get some other people on the phone and see what we can do. Let's make this thing better.
Awesome, man. I'm all about that. Cool. So we're gonna get this thing on a rack and we'll go through and see what we're gonna do to it, correct?
Yeah, definitely.
Cool. Right
Let's
on.
get it going.
Thank you, Mike.